Maryland's median home price is $465,000, while Annapolis is solidly in the mid 700,000s range, putting Annapolis in the top 5 most expensive cities in Maryland. It's Friday, July 10th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Zip code 21401 has 106 properties for sale at a median list price of $982,000, and these have been offered for 61 days. 13 properties went under contract this report at $899,000 median list price, and those went under contract in 45 days. 21403 has 102 properties for sale at 51 days and a list price of $599,900. There were 8 new contracts that had been marketed for 28 days at a median $1,275,000. 21409 has 41 properties listed for sale and at $699,999, and these have been active for 65 days. 5 properties went under contract this report at a median list price of $525,000 and in 17 median days. Annapolis inventory slipped again this report to 249 properties for sale at a median $745,000. These properties have been listed for a median of 56 days, and coming soon properties rose to 31 with a list price of $729,999. 49 properties went under contract in 38 days at a median list price of $669,000. 28 properties sold in 8 days at 99.3%, and the median sold price was $804,000. Rental properties rose slightly to 49 rentals listed at a median $3,200 per month. 2 properties leased over the past week with a median lease rate of $3,243 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 10th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next week. Take care.